Mega love shoutout everyone. Ayan guys, meron tayong grilled fish. Ayan. Siyempre, meron yan yung ingredients niya. So, ginawa kong ganyan para presentable siyang kainin. Ayan. Meron siyang cucumber, may lemon, may white onion, tapos spring onion, tapos yan. O, diba guys? So far, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. Yan yung whole niya. So, it's only a short video guys, sharing ang pagiging isang talented Cooking with Love, Alex Janot TV. So, it's time for lapang. I feel so hungry. May kasama kasi ako ngayon nakakain. So far, so good. Ito yung aking finished product. Diba? It's not charot-charot yan guys ha. Totoong ako gumawa niyan. Yan. Love you guys and thank you for watching. Alex Janot TV signing off. Mwah.